Hello, my beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annie Sweet Home Treats, guys. So today we'll be making pap, also known as Akamu. So guys, come and let's make pap. This our pap that you are saying. Come, let's make it from scratch. If you are just tuning in, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my YouTube page, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. So, guys, thank you all to all my subscribers. To my new subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. To my old subscribers, I want to say thank you, guys. So, let's get started. Don't forget to watch this video to the end. Thank you, guys. Guys, as you can see, I was picking the corn, also known as maize. So after picking it, I have to wash it. I was picking out stone and dirty. So after washing, I have to soak it. I pour my water inside the maize, then leave it for at least 2 days to soak and get soft. So guys, this is after 2 days of soaking the maize, also known as corn. It was looking so soft, so I have to quickly wash it out of this water. Guys, when you soak it for 2 days, you have to be changing the water till the second day. This is the maize now. I used my finger to check and it was so soft. I wash it very well, wash out the old water out of it. Then I went to blend it. This is where I went to blend you can hear the cock maize crying. I don't want to remove that part. I love that part so much. This is me doing catwalking on the road. Guys, we are back from where we went to blend or grind our maize. So we'll be needing chiffon clothes to sieve it. Yeah, this is chiffon clothes. Or if you don't have chiffon clothes, you can use any cloth that is light, a knit cloth that is light. Okay, so this is it. Let's get started. I put the grounded maize. As you can see, it's so smooth. They ground it very well. If I should have used my blender, it will not be smooth like this. Guys, something happened while trying to wash my maize inside my house. So this is it when I was watching it. Ta-ra! I found myself at my balcony because NEPA took the light. So I think the outside is even more brighter than inside. So enjoy how we process our maize, our pap, and our camel. This is how we make our pap from scratch, guys. It, as you can see, the shaft is so smooth, like all the pap has washed. So you have to leave it like this for at least 10 minutes to calm down. So I took a thick cloth like this. You can use pillowcase if you have pillowcase in the house, knit one, but this I bought it at the market. All I have to do is to pour the pap or the akamu or the maize that I wash inside this cloth bag. It's very soft. It's just like pillowcase, okay? So I have to tie it. Then put it like this. I tie it very well. Guys, I could not get anything heavy to put on top. I carried my pot. I put it on top. And I put my palm oil because that I think that's the most heaviest thing I have in this house. So I put the palm oil on top so it will dry out. So guys, this is the next day. Everything has dried out. The water has dried out. It's remaining my pap, my Akamu. So this is it. How does this look? It looks so good, guys. Look at it. And so white. So good and so white, guys. this point, you can store in the fridge or you pour water in that bowl. Make sure you continue changing the water if you are living in an environment that there is no light. Guys, make sure you continue changing the water, just store in the fridge. So let's give a try to the pap that we made. Let's make it and see how it goes, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Watch the videos to the end, guys. Guys, at this point, yeah, all you have to do, just put some portion in the plate. Then you boil your water. Let your water to be hot. Let it boil very well. After boiling, as you can see, I turn it inside my pap, also known as Akamu, guys. So you can use it for moi moi, you can use it for akara, you can drink it like that, you can use it for beans, you can use it for whatever you want to use it for, okay? And it's very good for children with milk. It gives them weight, guys. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. Bye.